Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Today we will talk about vitamins. So what are vitamins? They are organic compounds required in the diet in small amounts to perform specific biological functions for maintenance of optimum growth and health of the organism. They are classified as follows: fat-soluble vitamins and water-soluble vitamins. So fat-soluble vitamins are A, D, E, K. Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. They are stored in liver and in adipose tissues. Whereas water-soluble vitamins are vitamin B and vitamin C. Now they need to be supplied regularly in diet as they are water soluble, so they are excreted in urine. So they cannot be stored in our body except vitamin B12. So deficiency of these vitamins causes various diseases. Biotin, that is vitamin H, is however neither fat nor water soluble, and its deficiency leads to loss of hair. So let us have a review of various vitamins and their resource and the diseases caused by them in case of their deficiencies. So the very first one is vitamin A. Vitamin A is also called retinol. Retinol, it is soluble in oil and fats but insoluble in water but stable to heat. Now the various sources are spinach, carrots, butter, mangoes, egg, fish. Now deficiency diseases. The deficiency of vitamin A leads to night blindness, stunted growth, xerosis means drying of skin, xerothalmia means cornea becomes opaque. Coming to the next, that is vitamin B complex. Now vitamin B complex contains vitamin B1, B2, B6 and B12. So it's a mixture of these different vitamins. So vitamin B complex is soluble in water but insoluble in oils and fats, and it gets destroyed by heat above 310 Kelvin. Now the major sources of vitamin B1, they are pulses, nuts, rice, wheat, rice bran, yeast, egg yolk, milk, vegetables and fruits. Now deficiency of vitamin B1 leads to beriberi, that is paralysis of legs and general weakness, and of course loss of appetite. Next is vitamin B2. B2, soluble in water but insoluble in oils and fats. Now the major sources are milk, yeast, green vegetables, meat, liver, etc. Now deficiency of vitamin B2 leads to growth retardation, causes general inflammation of tongue, dermatitis and cheilosis means cracking of lips and corners of the mouth. Next is vitamin B12. It is water soluble, stable to heat, and its major source is milk, egg and animal tissues. Now deficiency of vitamin B12 leads to pernicious anemia and inflammation of tongue and mouth. Vitamin B6. Actually vitamin B6 is a mixture of three substances: pyridoxine, pyridoxal and pyridoxamine. So it's a mixture of three substances: pyridoxine, pyridoxal and pyridoxamine. It is soluble in water but of course insoluble in oil and fats. The major sources are rice bran, meat, fish, eggs, whole cereals like wheat, maize, rice, etc. Now deficiency of vitamin B6 causes pellagra, means the skin gets shriveled, anemia in human beings, and it affects central nervous system, causes general weakness, insomnia, and irritability. Now the next one is vitamin C. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid. It is also called ascorbic acid. It is soluble in water but insoluble in oil and fats, and it gets destroyed by cooking or prolonged exposure to air. It increases resistance of the body towards diseases. So its sources are all citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, grapes, lime, amla, guava, etc. Now the deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy, means bleeding of gums, pyorrhea, means loosening of teeth and bleeding of gums. Now next one is vitamin D. Vitamin D is also called the calciferol, ergocalciferol. Vitamin D is soluble in oil and fats but insoluble in water. It is stable to heat and resistant to oxidation. Sources of vitamin D are eggs, fish liver oil, butter liver, and vitamin D is produced by plants from ergosterol when exposed to light. Deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets, means bending of bones in children, and deformation of bones and teeth, osteomalacia in adults. Next is vitamin E. Now vitamin E, it is a mixture of 4 vitamins called alpha, beta, gamma and delta tocopherols. Now vitamin E, it is stable to heat, light and oxidation. Its major sources are eggs, milk, fish, wheat, germ oils, nuts, cottonseed oil, peanut oils, means different types of oils. Now, it is really essential for the beautiful glowing skin. It acts as antioxidant. It prevents destruction of RBCs. In animals, its deficiency causes sterility in males, death of embryo, and muscle degeneration. Last is vitamin K, also known as phylloquinone, soluble in oil and fats but insoluble in water. Vitamin K, it can be obtained from green leafy vegetables like cabbage, spinach, alfalfa. Now its deficiency leads to faulty blood clotting and hemorrhage. Vitamin K restores normal blood clotting.